if you're actually confused about Proxy to use, I think this video is for you. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this proxy, how you can connect with this proxy, and how you can do so many other things with this particular proxy. Now the reason why I'm bringing this particular proxy to us is because there are so many issues and so many complaints and requests on which proxy actually works well with all these AI platforms and some other platforms, including surveys. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you, and I'm going to be introducing this platform that I found, which you can start up with in getting your proxy and also activating it. So every process I'm going to be showing you step by step in this video. You will not want to miss or skip any parts in this video. But before I proceed, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, or you're hearing this voice for the first time, or seeing this face for the first time, this is Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, show you what works in the online space, so you can also benefit from it. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, you can feel free to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. With that being said, let's dive into the business of today. When you take a look at the screen right here, you can see it says the reliable residential proxy for global data collection. Now, when we talk about proxy, we actually are talking about things that can actually change your location. So right here, this is proxy that works globally and it has been tested. Now I'm not going to be talking too much. I'm just going to be walking you through on this particular interface before getting to show you what this particular platform entails. Now it is called the TalorData. You can as well call it TalorData, as the case may be. So right here you can see where it says get 200 MB free bonus. But right now what we are after is setting up your proxy the way you are to get it done. So right now I'm going to be showing you what you tend to get on this particular platform. I said the global residential proxy IP coverage. So right here you can see the states that you can get from this platform. We have the United States, France, Germany, Brazil, United Kingdom, and so many of them right here. So there are many purposes you can use this particular platform for. So most questions have been coming in concerning proxies on different occasions. So what I'll do right now is to show you how to start up with this particular platform, because this proxy has been tested and it's well organized. So when you come to this platform, clicking on the first link on the comment section, you can quickly come down to start a free trial, so you can set up an account for yourself. So right now, to set up an account is very simple. You come right here, you can log in with your Google, or you can just come right here and sign up directly. So since we are actually starting up this platform, for the sake of watching this video, so let me go ahead to create an account so you can see the process of creating an account on this platform. Or you can better still sign up with Google and you continue with the process. So I'm going to come right here and use another account. So I'm going to use another account to set up an account right here. Let me go ahead to decline this. Let me go ahead to use a particular email for this account. So we are going to come right here, or better still, let's go straight to setting up an account, inputting details. So you come right here and you put in the email you want to use. Alright, so I'm going to be walking you through this process so you can get started and start using this proxy as soon as possible. So the moment you come right here and put in your email address, you come right here and put in your password. Alright, so I'm going to put in my password right here, and you're going to be finding a space where you can actually put a promo code right here. You are going to be finding that on the pinned comment section or somewhere around the screen. So you're going to be putting that right here. The moment you put that, you come right here and click on sign up. Alright, so you come right here and process this. So right here you can see email needs to be confirmed. Now a code needs to be sent to your email address. So check your email and confirm your email. All right, confirm your email on this particular platform. So I just confirmed my email via my mobile device. All right, so my email has been confirmed right on this platform. So once you do this, your email has been confirmed. Now the next thing you want to do is to refresh this page when you are done with this. Alright, so automatically you can be redirected to your account, or better still, you can just come down right here and click on log in to your account. Since you've confirmed your email, you are going to click on log in right here, so we can log into your account and I can show you how this platform works. Now this is the account and this is how we can actually get access to this platform. So right here you can see rotating residential proxy is actually 0.65 GB, which is actually awesome. Alright, so what we are going to be doing is to get our proxy. You can close this. Now the moment you come right here, you are going to be seeing proxies, rotating residential proxy, static ISP and the likes of it. Now rotating IPs, residential IPs is mostly what we use for surveys and some other things we do online. So what we are going to be doing right now is to get our proxy. First of all, the moment you come right to this proxy right here, you are also going to be seeing that this is where you can get direct proxy. So what you're going to be doing is to come right here and click on this particular button that shows. But before that, you can see authentic compliant residential proxy across 195 countries with free TT level targeting HTTPS. So you can see supporting blah blah blah, so you can see all this for yourself. So you just go ahead to get this. This is for static IP proxy. So what you can actually do right now is to come right here and click on this particular button. So you can see once you go ahead getting your proxy on this platform, other thing you want to do is to connect this proxy on your super proxy or any other platform which gives you access to connect proxy. But first of all, you need to get this proxy. That is what this video is all about. But before that, you can see the plans right here. You can see usage settings, you can see usage history, you can see account list and whitelist and the likes of it. So what you're going to be doing right now is to come down right here and you are going to be getting any of this depending on what you want to get. Okay, so once you have selected any of these, let's say you're actually going for the smallest package right here, which we have to be the 2 gig right here. So you can as well get this, but these are percent off, so you can come right here and get the one you can afford. So let's say we are going for this first 2G right here. So the moment you click on that, you come right here and you come down to click on this amount right here, and you can see the method of which you can use to get this. So you just have to come right here and click on this and proceed in getting this particular proxy. So right now, after getting your proxy, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be coming right here to click on use now. So I already have mine, so I can go ahead to click on use now. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can get a free proxy on this platform. So what we are going to be doing right now, since we have actually gotten proxy, what we're going to be doing is to come right here where you can actually see use now. So I'm going to click on use now. Now the moment you click on use now, you are going to be brought right here. You can see right here that you need to fill out all these things for you to get your proxy. So right here you can see, just come right here and select your country. All right, so select your country. This is under usage setting. Come down to country stroke region, then you are going to select, let's say we are selecting the United States. Let's say we are selecting the United States right here. So the moment you select the United States, you come right here and select the city under United States. So let's come right here and select ISP. All right, so you come right here and select let's go for any right here. So let's say we are selecting okay, let me go ahead to look for a particular ISP right here. So let me say I don't have a specific one right here, so let's just select any so I don't waste time in this. So let's just come right here and let me pick this particular, press down. Okay, so then you come right here. This is where I want you to pay close attention why most of us get our accounts banned on different platforms. Now when you come right here, you can see we have randomized IP and we also has the sticky IP. Now for you getting your proxy, what I recommend for you is to always click on this sticky IP. The reason why you're clicking on sticky IP is because it's more helpful to you. It is more or less disabling account. So once you click on that, you come right here and select the duration of it. Let's say 10 right here. So then you come right here and select your output format. It can be server ports, it can be HTTP. So just come right here and select any of which you want to go for. Now when you take a look at this, you can actually see that everything has been filled without having to get the username and password, right? So before you get to this particular phase, before you get right here, what you're to do after getting your proxy is to come right to add now. So the moment you click on add now, it's going to bring you right here, right? So what you're going to do right now is to click on this start. So let's say the start date is actually today. So since we are starting today, let's just say our end date should be actually this, all right? So and then the username should be Joaking, all right? So let's come back here and put in Joaking and username. So let's say Joaking 500, right? Let's use a small letter, Joaking 500, right? And I put in my password, and password must be up to 8 characters, right? So I'm going to put in my password right here. So I'm done entering my username and password. Make sure the password is actually letters and numbers, and the username actually is starting from a small letter. So my traffic is actually 1 gig. So let me come right here. And put in 1, right? So the note is actually optional. So I click on confirm. All right. So that is actually, you can see, saved successfully. So that is actually the first thing you need to do before we go ahead to start up with the usage settings, right? So right here you can see it's already displaying Joaking 500. That is my account. So we are going to start afresh. So like I said, we are to get username and password before we go ahead to connect our proxy or get our proxy. So right here you're going to come right here and select your country, just like what we did before, United States. So we are going to come right here and select the ISP. So let's go ahead to select any of which right here. So let's go ahead with any of which right here. Just make the correction that you are to actually add your username and password before getting to connect this. So we are going for the sticky IP. Remember what I said about the sticky IP. So let's make this to be 10. So the sticky IP is more preferable instead of the rotating IP. So you can come right here. I recommend you go with the server ports. Okay, so you can see we have all these put in place just like this. So the next thing you want to do is to under endpoints, you can as well make this 10. What endpoint actually means is that you're having total number of IPs or proxy. So endpoints right here is actually total number of proxy or IP. So you come down right here and click on batch generation. Okay, so you come right and click on batch generation. So like this, you already have your proxy and your IPs are ready. So what you're going to be doing is to copy this and go over to your super proxy and get connected with this. All right, the reason why I recommend this is because I have actually used that and it actually served me well in my online jobs I do. So the moment you click on batch generation, what you have under here is what you're going to copy, right? You can see it under batch generation. That is what you're going to be copying, and that is what you're going to be using for your super proxy. So all those details are what you're going to be inserting on your super proxy. So if you're having difficulty, you can reach out to me so I can help you to fill out all the details. But what you're to copy is actually beneath the batch production, the batch generation under this. All right. So right here, this is our super proxy. From this particular end, what you're to do is to fill out all these things with the details you've actually gotten from this particular proxy platform: the profile name, the protocol, the server, the ports, the username and the password, and you are good to go. So once you're connected on Super Proxy, we know how we get connected on Super Proxy. You come up right here after inserting all these details and click on save, then automatically you're connected to this proxy. Then you can start using this proxy for everything and anything at all you do that requires you changing your location. So that is how to use this proxy and get it connected. So that is why I showed you this process from the beginning down to this method, so you can get to understand how it works. So if you have any questions regarding everything said in this video, you can feel free to drop your comments, and I'm going to be replying to every comment under this video. So now, for better understanding, this is how you're going to be breaking down the details you've gotten after batch generation, because you're going to be copying a lot much of them. So you can keep others, and the first set you'll be dealing with, this is how you're going to be getting it. So right now for your server, you're going to be having now.talordata.net, that is for your server. Then for your port, you're going to be having a figure right there. Then for your username, is going to be starting with that's your username, and it's going to end it with the number of IPs you have actually put. Then your password is still your password that you created before going ahead to purchase your proxy. So it is very simple. What you're changing on this is actually the port, the username. Your password is already there. Then the server is actually now.talordata.net. So that is how to connect it on your Super Proxy. So good luck. And so I mentioned that at the end of this video, you are going to be getting ways of getting free proxy on this platform. Now this platform gives you access to register, and you're going to be getting free proxy. Go ahead to follow the prompt and get your free proxy right on this platform just for a test. So it's going to be giving you access to actually try a free trial on this platform, so you can see how it works before you can go ahead to purchase your proxy. So it is a good one. I have tried it and I am actually recommending it to you. So give it a try and get back to me on the comment section. And so when you look at this particular process, you can actually see that it is well understood, and anyone can actually set up, get your proxy, and also set up your proxy right on this platform. So what you can actually do is to use the link on the pinned comment section, so you can register and start using this platform for your proxy. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you've gotten one or two value from this video, and if you actually got value from this video, you can feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, so subsequent times you can get updates like this. However, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the links on the pinned comment section, where you join this wonderful family and also get information that can benefit you in today's world. So see you on my next video, and keep winning.